Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. If you want to change the preferences on your Plenty of Fish dating app, then let me show you how. First of all, open your web browser on your PC and type in www.pof.com. Now after that, as you can see, it will take you to the official site of Plenty of Fish dating app. Now as you can see in the top screen of this web page and in the second bar, click on search, scroll on a little bit, and as you can see on the right screen of this web page, you can change all these preferences to find a specific users. So let me change my preferences to women age 19 to 27, intent looking for casual, photos has to be photos, sort by newest member of Plenty Fish or last online. I can also change my preferences to different countries and different states. So I'm going to choose from Iceland, states, Delaware. You also have option to put city or postal zip code too, and within 200 kilometers. And even from bio, how much height they need to have, or their height, their ethnicity, body type, eye color, hair color, and even their backgrounds, religion, education, income, martial status, longest relationship, and even lifestyles. And click on go fishing, and as you can see, you'll find many users. So as you can see, I have not got any matches, but if you put many specific preferences, then you'll find someone. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.